Thick fog, it hangs in the air. For now our vision's impaired, and we can't see far, but we can see right here. And it feels like something is coming, and we've got no time to prepare. And the woods around us are humming with the howls of a new affair. And now we're listening now. Now you can't fool everyone, because soon we'll all catch on that the wolves are back again. You can hide or you can run against the grain, but as soon as the thunder comes, all the wolves are back again. We won't be afraid and we won't look away, because it's happening. We can fight it or invite it to stay, and it won't be long before the fences are taller than our happy homes, and a beast still